Again, the world of photography and videography is buzzing with rumors about Sony's next big release, the A7 IV camera. After months of speculation, we're starting to get a clearer picture of what this much-anticipated camera might offer. Let's take a closer look at the features and what we can expect from the A7 IV. According to rumors, the A7 IV may come up with a 44-megapixel full-frame BSIC MOS sensor. This sensor isn't new, having been announced back in April, but it seems like a perfect fit for Sony's next entry-level full-frame camera. When compared to the 33-megapixel sensor in the A7 IV, this may result in a significant increase in resolution, which could offer more room for cropping and potentially lead to better image quality. One of the standout features of this sensor is its fast data transfer speed. With a 16-lane high-speed interface, it promises about twice the readout rate of Sony's current top models, the A7R5 and a 6700. This could mean significant performance improvements for both photographers and videographers. For those who love burst shooting, the A7 IV might be an awaiting camera. Rumors suggest it could offer up to 26 frames per second with full sensor readout, continuous autofocus, and auto exposure. To put that into perspective, the A7R5 tops out at 10 frames per second. Sony's previous entry-level full-frame model, the A7 III, also had a maximum shooting speed of 10 frames per second. Having that speed available could completely change the photography when it comes to capturing highly detailed, frozen motion. Imagine capturing every fleeting moment with such precision. The benefits don't stop there. It's also rumored that the A7 IV could record 12-bit 8K video at up to 30 frames per second. Sony has been gradually introducing 8K capabilities across their lineup, but combining it with a high-resolution sensor like this opens up new creative possibilities. You could crop and punch in without losing quality, or use oversampling to capture stunning 4K footage with incredible detail. But it's not just about the numbers and specs. Sony's image processors and autofocus algorithms are where the real magic happens. If the rumors are true, the A7 IV could feature Sony's latest Bionz XR processor with AI processing capabilities. Sony's previous Bionz X processors did pretty well with real-time tracking, but adding AI could be a major upgrade. Sony's real-time tracking system is already impressive, but adding AI could take it to a whole new level. The rumored specs also hint at features like focus breathing compensation for video, AI auto-framing, and user-uploadable LUTs. For hybrid shooters, these could be invaluable tools for pushing creative boundaries. Now let's talk about price. One of the biggest questions is whether Sony will position the A7 IV as a true entry-level camera or something more premium. If they manage to pack all these features into an affordable package, it could shake up the competition. However, Sony might also take a conservative approach, like with the A7R5, to avoid cannibalizing sales of their higher-end models. It's a delicate balance, and Sony's strategy here could have ripple effects across their entire lineup. Regardless of the price point, the A7 V's rumored specs check many boxes for what modern creators want: resolution, speed, video capabilities, and intelligent automation. If executed well, it could be an attractive option for those seeking a powerful hybrid camera without breaking the bank. Only time will tell what Sony has planned. But one thing is certain: the camera world is watching closely, eagerly awaiting Sony's next move. The excitement is palpable, and we're all curious to see what new heights we can reach with a camera like the rumored A7 V. So that's all about the Sony A7 V. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.